from one headache to the next. 150,000 mile GM Ecotech. Don't tell me you take care of it, because the throttle body says you don't. Just consider this your mouth. If you don't brush your teeth, I can tell, right, Jude? Yeah. If you don't clean your throttle body, I can tell. I'm curious if it's burning oil. Oh, they must have just changed the oil. This came from another shop. So, this is a 6.6 hour job, and it is actually ridiculous the way they engineered this. So the reason that we're in here is, one, to check engine lights on, but not because the exhaust manifold's cracked in half. It also has a secondary air injection incorrect flow. The pump works. There's no codes for the valves. I can guarantee that what you see here is what I'm going to find in the secondary air injection ports in the cylinder head. What makes this job such a pain in the ass is that it has the secondary air injection manifolds above the exhaust manifold. And it is a pain in the ass. Not only that, you have to get in there and clean the ports out. So I have to get, once I get the manifold and the converter unloose, I have to pull the converter off so I can go underneath the car and then gain access to the 4 ports from the air injection tube into the cylinder heads. I nominated myself for the miserable work, and Jude's going to do the easy work. And yeah, how about that? Some knucklehead gorilla with 6mm bolts stripped the LS oil pan and then put the wrong bolt. They had the wrong bolt in the back bolt. So when you were tightening that up, you were tightening it up against the oil pan and not the gasket. I could tell by your experience with 6mm bolts that you don't know what you're doing.